Hey guys, it's AmiLin, and today I'm going to make these insanely easy bite-sized chicken and waffles. I saw this recipe hack on TikTok and I thought it was genius because making chicken and waffles from scratch is actually pretty complicated. Plus, these ones are super cute. You'll only need 3 ingredients. First, heat up the waffle in your toaster. I have my cutting board and my knife here, and I'm just gonna slice up the waffle into little pieces. And then microwave your popcorn chicken until it's cooked. So I have my plate here, and I'm gonna place each waffle piece down. And then I'm gonna place a piece of popcorn chicken on top of the waffle piece. Ooh, it looks so cute. Last but not least, drizzle the maple syrup on top. This is the finished product, and if you're craving chicken and waffles, this is the perfect 5-minute fix. I love how one waffle turns into 9 little bite-sized pieces. They're so cute. Thanks for watching.